Hi guys and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to Leeds, so stay tuned and there's more to come. When I arrive at Leeds, I always come out the southern entrance. It is so much nicer and more pleasant as well, and there's not many people around. It's really nice because it gives you good access to South Bank, and also if you want to get a water taxi, it's very easy to find. There's directions everywhere, and it takes you straight on to Leeds docks. So the weather's a little different to Halifax. In Halifax it was wet and windy and cold, but here in Leeds it's a bit muggy and cloudy. It's strange how the weather can be different in places that are quite near each other. I wouldn't say the weather was great today for photography, but it's good for atmospheric shots, and it was quite gloomy as well. I love the old and new contrast, it's so cool. Hi guys and welcome back to a brand new video with ReecyVidz. Today I'm in Leeds. As you can see, the fabulous Midland Mills is making great progress. I'm a bit windswept. And stay tuned because there's more to come. Midland Mills has made fantastic progress since I last visited in March. As you can see, it has made great progress through cladding panels. You can see how far up it's got now, and also the skeleton of the building is nearly to the full height of the car, so it's very exciting times. So the progress of Midland Mills is immense. Honestly, it has changed so much since I last came. If you look at my videos from March, the skeleton of the building was quite low down, but now it's nearly full height. We're a bit delayed though with adding the cladding, but I'm sure it'll be added in due course. It really stands out at this part of Leeds now. So I'm guessing that the cladding is still going through planning permission because it hasn't been added yet, but nonetheless the building has still made great progress and I'm looking forward to its result. So there's absolutely loads of people around today. It's not like last time it was so quiet, but now it's like a totally different place. There's just so many people around, but I wanted to come and give you all an update because I hadn't done a video in such a long time. It's been a while now since I last did another video, and I've been grieving over my dog and stuff. I've been really struggling like with the loss of my dog and everything, and I thought today I'm going to go out, distract myself and get out and do a video. So I hope you enjoy watching and stay tuned because there's more to come. So this is the reason why I put half a ton of hairspray on my hair, because this is what happens when it's windy. It just blows everywhere. So if you look at the contrast of this part of Leeds from now and 2009, you can really see a huge difference. It has made massive progress. It is so exciting. So I'm now walking up to Latitude Blue. So let's see what's new there. Latitude Blue is now complete, looking absolutely fantastic in the Monk Bridge area. It really looks like the outskirts of Manhattan. It's really coming on really nicely, and it looks like a massive city, like a capital city, not a little regional city. As you can see, Midland Mills is an eyesore all over Leeds now. I'm a true lover of these buildings. I think they're really nice. I really like the cladding styles. It's very interesting to look at. Hi guys, so I'm now at Latitude Blue. I'm really enjoying it today, but there's just so many people up to last time. But it's not a problem. I'm still enjoying it. Look at the buildings though, they look absolutely beautiful. So this is my outfit of the day. I really like this blue coat. I've had it a couple of years. You might have seen it in my older videos, but I've really grown back to it now. This area is like a massive city of its own. It is so cool. I really like it a lot. They should make some films around here in future because it'd be so cool. So I just sat here for a few minutes and took everything in. It is such a nice area and it's a nice place to come and eat your lunch. So today I'm trying out my new wide angle lens on my camera. It's really cool for when you're around skyscrapers and stuff. I think it's like a GoPro. So you certainly get an idea of how dwarfed you feel when you walk around this area. It has changed massively in the last 5 years. You wouldn't even recognise it. So the bench I was sat on was infested by money spiders. I'm going to be itching out rest at day. The views from this viaduct are just incredible. So I'm now going to walk to Triangle Yard, which has also made massive progress. You get some really nice views all around this area. As you can see from the viaducts, you can also see Arena Point. Triangle Yard has made a massive improvement. It looks so good. It is almost complete now. The cladding is absolutely beautiful. I'm really grown to this cladding. I didn't like it at first, but now I've seen it in the flesh, it looks really nice. It's also an up and coming area. There's lots going on. There's also an octagon building getting built as well, so it's exciting times. The Triangle Yard is 95 metres. So I'm now trying to find an appropriate place to order an Uber to get to the top. I'm next to Lisbon Square. There's so many tall buildings now in Leeds, it's so exciting. Leeds is the fastest growing city in the UK for student accommodation. I can see why students want to come and live here because it is such a lovely city and there's so much to offer.
All we got is time, so stay a while, stay a while. All we got is time, so stay a while, stay a while.
So this is my spot for the Uber, so I'll see you at the top. It wouldn't be a Leeds trip if I didn't get curry and chips. So as you can see, Yorkshire Bank is now getting demolished for student accommodation. This is also going to be tower blocks. This area is a tall building zone, so this is where all the tall buildings are going to be built. So there is also going to be a skyscraper designed by Simpson Hoff, which is going to be near to Sky Plaza. At the front here, where you're looking now, there's going to be 2 white buildings similar to White Rose View. And then the Simpson Hoff Tower is going to be an adjustment to Sky Plaza. So there's a lot of changes going on. So as you can see, the northern way into Leeds is a really nice entrance with all the tall buildings. You can really get that big city feel. So you definitely feel dwarfed in Arena Quarter. I really like this area. I've always liked this area. I just love the progress and how much it's changed. It's like being in New York now in this little area. So as you can see, Service Point has made fantastic progress. It's really come on quickly, this building. I'm really looking forward to the result. I think it's really nice. The cladding's similar to White Rose View. As you can see, there's some massive similarities to both buildings, but it works well and it blends in nicely. So I'm assuming that Service Point is going to be the pinnacle of this cluster, unless something even taller gets built nearby. But it's really exciting. I'm really looking forward to seeing what it looks like in a few years' time. Leeds definitely looks better on a sunny day, but however, it still looks very good. You definitely get a downtown feeling in Leeds city centre now. So this is what Service Point looks like from the south side. This is the best side, I think, because it looks so slender. So Altus House cladding material is a lot nicer to Service Point, but we'll have to see the outcome of Service Point when it's fully complete. So Jackson House, aka 44 Merrion Street, looks absolutely fantastic. It's definitely one of my favourite skyscrapers in Leeds. I really like the green tint, and also Altus House looks very smart as well, and it looks like a massive barcode. So that is just a fantastic backdrop. It is so cool. So I had a little visit to Corn Exchange, which is somewhere that I haven't been in quite a while. I really like Corn Exchange. I think it's so classy and cool. At one time I wanted to get married in here because it's so nice. It's a very classy building and it's got so much history. There's also quite a few shops in here, vintage shops, tattoo shops, craft shops. It's just an interesting place with so much creativity. So that is where we conclude today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching and stay tuned for more videos to come in future. Bye everyone.